Hello everyone. In this Figma tutorial today, we will see how to add circular progress bar. Now head over to Figma file and then choose frame and add the frame, and then next choose circle and hold shift key when you add the circle so it gets equal points with height and width. Now once you have the circle, select the circle and then add stroke. So add stroke width. In my case, I'll be adding 24 and then change it to center. This is very important. So once you have the circle ready, remove the fill color. And this is how your first circle should look. Now duplicate the circle. So at this point, you will have two circles. And then as you closely observe on the second circle, there is a point. There's a point. I'll clearly show there's a point here. Drag it to the center as I'm showing, and then drag it down. And then from the ratio, bring it down. So you should have the second circle something like this, as you can see in the preview in ellipse 2. So once you have the second circle, go ahead and change the color. Now we are almost ready. Also change the color of first circle. And at this point, you should have a starting point and a sweep point. From starting point, you can drag it to the initial position. And from sweep point, you can fill the progress. This is how you can create a circular progress bar in Figma. Next, we will go ahead. We'll select the second circle and we will change the end point to round. So this is how you can create a stylish circular progress bar using Figma. I hope the tutorial was useful. If you have any feedback or follow-up questions, feel free to share your comments. See you in the next video. Thank you.